Weekend, and so that means that, you know, it's time to tackle projects that are all around the house. And if putting up screens, cleaning screens, you know what I mean, is on your to-do list, we've got an easier way to do it.
Yes,
right?
So you might also notice that the windows could use a little TLC or maybe even need to be updated.
Yeah, so joining us right now, Adam Blank, who's Chief of Staff at our partner Wallside Windows. It's good to see you.
You as well. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, we hope the Blank family is doing well.
Oh, we're all doing very well.
That's great. All right, so your company is celebrating a big milestone.
We're celebrating our 72nd anniversary this month. Yeah. We were started in 1944 by my grandfather, Martin Blank, and so it's a fun month, and we're celebrating. Not only we had a birthday party down in our factory, but we're also offering our customers 72 months interest-free financing for this month only.
Okay.
To buy some new windows, and new windows
great.
are a great way to save money and save energy, especially you know, we're celebrating Earth Day, so a good way to make your home a lot nicer.
And just when you think there can't be anything new in a window,
you
guys always are proving that there is some, but it's really cool stuff, right?
The windows have changed over 72 years for sure, and I can give you a quick
Okay, go ahead.
demonstration.
Let's check it out.
So windows, they used to just have clear glass and then just normal glass.
Yeah.
And take a look at it.
Even two
This
panes,
is heated,
right?
Yeah. So feel it. Feel
That's a heat lamp,
Yeah.
right?
That's a clear glass. Feel the heat.
Oh yeah, it's coming right through.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But now we have energy efficient windows. All of our windows
That's
are Energy Star windows. Yeah,
Okay,
come
I'm
on
going
over
behind.
here.
I look much better on the other side of the window.
I got your back on this side.
You make a better door than a window. And then feel through.
Oh yeah, there's
nothing.
All right. I mean, seriously, it's just as
No
cold as
warmth
the
at all.
studio, whatever the
There you
air
go.
temperature is. Yeah.
So our windows are all Energy Star version 6 qualified. So it's a great way to save energy in your home, and it's a great way to really reduce our carbon footprint. And so we really recommend people putting new windows in, and it's a great way not only to make your house look a lot better, but you're saving energy costs as well.
Okay, so let's talk screens, because these have been drama in my family in the past.
Oh wow!
I won't tell the stories here on camera.
So these are the newest screens in the market, the first innovation in screens in probably 50 years, and they flex.
Look at
that.
Oh,
Look at
come
that.
on. It took 50 years to figure this out, because you know what happens? We flex our old screens, and then once they've been flexed, you're stuck.
You're done.
That's it. So
Right.
show that again.
Yeah.
There we go.
So
It
everyone can
flexes,
see
and I
it.
can show you. Can put it in the window.
All right.
It's easy to come in and out.
Yeah, yeah. I'm going to go back again.
Go
Yeah,
ahead,
come
Chuck.
on over
I
here.
want to see this, because this is really
You
intriguing.
Snap it
Are you
in.
kidding me?
Okay. So you give it a little buckle.
Yeah. You put
So it turns into an hourglass shape, and then you let it go, and it just finds its
There
way
it
back
goes.
in. Oh my!
That's pretty impressive.
Isn't that cool? And then the way to take it out is you pull it back in.
You pull the
it out.
tabs, and you just push
Yeah,
it
you
in.
want to give it
Yeah,
a try?
I do. Yeah, yeah.
Go for it. And it's got
All
to
right.
pull it out. And
Just pull it out, grab the inside,
Yeah, pull
right?
it in like it, and just kind
And
of.
then do I just do that?
finagle it out.
Oh, come on, Tati. This is
That's impressive.
this will set you free. See, now that is
Indeed.
the greatest idea.
Yeah.
And so this will last, right?
It will last.
Yeah,
So,
here.
yeah, you can throw it off a 4-story building, and it's very durable. It's a lot of fun, and it
That's
makes it a lot easier.
impressive.
So
That's
taking
very
screens in and out,
impressive.
it's very cool, and we're offering that on all of our windows now, on our screen, on our double hungs and our sliding windows.
So what else do we consider when it comes to window purchasing? Because it's, especially if you're going whole house, this is a big thing to wrap your head around.
For sure. So we talked about energy efficiency, we talked about screens.
Right.
But now, especially this time of year, we're talking spring cleaning, and
Right.
people hate cleaning their home, especially their windows, especially the outside that has been beaten up over a tough Michigan winter. So if you look over here at our window, we make it pretty easy for you. We have tilt-in sashes on our double hung.
And those
Just
I've
like
seen
that.
at your factory,
Oh,
so
yeah.
that
So you
makes
can
that
pull it
easy.
in
Yeah.
and do it for both sashes, and
Okay.
it's pretty simple.
Wow.
So there's a lot of things to think about, and we focus on not only providing a great product that we build in our Taylor, Michigan facility, but also the installation. We've had most of our installers have had thousands and thousands of homes that they've installed windows in, so providing a quality installation for our customers is definitely key to securing your home and providing a great look for your neighbors to show off.
Well, congratulations on 72 years and all the great connections
Thank
and
you.
all the stuff you're doing in Michigan with Michigan suppliers and all the rest.
Yeah, we're happy to be a Michigan-based company and building windows in Michigan. So
good to have
you very much.
Again, as part of Wallside Windows' 72nd anniversary, that's hard to believe. Customers can receive 72 months interest-free financing until May 2nd.
That's right. And for more on that and all the products they offer, check out their website, wallsidewindows.com.